Rick Kimberley with Kimberley Farms, and it's October 7th, 2023. Right now, harvesting soybeans. We're more on the tail end of soybean harvest. Yields have been pretty good, a little better than what we anticipated. Not as good as the previous couple years, but still a lot better than what we thought because of the dry, warm summer this year. But we're fairly happy with the yields overall. Combine running behind us here, a little noisy, but we're kind of keep moving on so we can finish up the soybean harvest in a couple more days. One reason, because they have rain coming in a couple days, 2 or 3 days from now. So we'd like to finish up soybeans. We'll get the combine switched over so we're ready to pick corn, and we'll just keep moving forward. It's always a busy time, long hours. You always have some breakdowns. Things don't go perfect, but been a good harvest so far overall. It's a beautiful day today. Sun's out. We really haven't had a lot of rainfall again during the fall, just like the summer. So we haven't had any basically downtime or days that we couldn't harvest. 2 to 3 days we expect to finish up on the soybean harvest. We had a little issue with one of our combines, and so that wasn't available. In fact, what it was we had a sidewall go out on one of the large front tires on the combine. It wasn't available at the time, so it was basically 4 days that we weren't able to use that combine, waiting for a large tire. Those tires are very expensive. Not many of the dealers had one on hand. So anyway, that kind of slowed us up. A few more days we expect to finish up on the soybean harvest. The soybean market has kind of been in a downward mode probably for the last month or so. Are hoping that we're going to put this harvest low end close within a week or so. Soybeans will be harvested. They'll be the ones that are in storage will probably be in the storage, and it's going to probably take a little recovery in the market to pull the beans back out of storage and sell those beans. Since they're in storage, they're going to probably stay there for a while unless this market takes an uptick. So that's my feeling, and so we're doing the same thing. We're putting our soybeans in storage on our farm, looking for a little recovery in the soybean market.